Hello everybody, myself Pranali Suryavanshi. My roll number is 1803023. We are from KE Society's Rajaram Babu Institute of Technology from CSE branch. We are here to present Comic Security Tool. We are in a group of four, myself Pranali, Tejashri, Shwetali and Vaishnavi. Let's start by what is comics. Comics is a simple environment and it can be used for web developers, penetration testers, or even security researchers to test web applications with view to find bugs and errors. By using this tool, it is very easy to exploit command injection vulnerability. Comics is written in Python programming language. Python version 2.6.x or 2.7.x is required in order to run the comics. The operating systems on which comics can be run are Linux, Mac OS X and Windows. And it is free open source software. Thank you. Next will be explained by Tejashri.
Hello everyone, my name is Tejashri. Now I am talking about a very critical and high priority level vulnerability, which is called as injection. It is mostly dangerous security issue in today's web application. Injection means any command you inject in the web application through your user input and it will go on the server and execute. Let's take one example for understanding purpose. Suppose there is a one developer, he creates one website and in that website he takes inputs from the users like username, email ID and password. Suppose now I'm going on that website as a user and now in that website it is not necessary that I enters only email ID in the email ID field. It depends on me. I can enter anything in that field. I can enter any arbitrary abnormal input which behaves abnormally on the server. That is, I am entering something different which is not expected by the server. Thus, any command entered as a user input if behaves abnormally on the server is called as injection. So now let's see what is command injection. Command injection is nothing but entering arbitrary commands in user input which behaves abnormally on the host operating system. Command injection is an attack in which the goal is the execution of arbitrary commands on the host operating system via a vulnerable application. Command injection attacks are possible only when an application passes unsafe user-supplied data to the system shell. In this attack, attacker-supplied operating system commands are usually executed with the privileges of the vulnerable application. Command injection attacks are possible largely due to insufficient input validation. Now let's see who can be the victim of the command injection. The command injection attacks are independent of the operating system in use. They can target Linux, Unix, and Windows as well. They are also independent of the programming languages used as they can inject themselves into many programming languages including C, CPP, PHP, Python and Java. Now come to the point. As Pranali said earlier, Comics tool, it is a command injection exploiter. It is an automated tool written in Python and that is pre-compiled in Kali Linux to perform various operating system commands if application is vulnerable to the command injection. Now next part is continued by Shwetali.
My name is Shwetali Anandrav Patil. My PRN is 1803029. So now let us see how comics work. So at the right hand side here is the architecture of comics. So architecture of comics is divided into three modules. First module is attack vector generator. It generates a set of command injection attack vectors using separators. First, the attack vector generator module generate attack vectors. Attack vectors are different attack techniques including classic, event-based, time-based and file-based techniques. Second module is vulnerability detection. Attack vector perform the vulnerability test in the host application. That is perform the command injection target using a target set of attack vectors. Third module is exploitation. If a vulnerability is found, the exploitation step is then launched to exploit the vulnerability. That is attempt exploitation procedure if it determines that the application is vulnerable. Thank you. The next part will explain by Vaishnav.
My name is Vaishnavi Vijay Kumar Shinde and my roll number is 1803031. I'm here to discuss models and features of Comic Security tool. There are two models included in this tool. The first one is Internet Control Message Protocol Exfiltration module. This protocol is a network layer protocol and used for error handling in network layer. This module is designed to provide a server-side component to receive and store files. Exfiltration over ICMP echo request packets. The second is the shell shock module. This module is designed to affect a bash vulnerability which allows an attacker to remotely execute shell commands by attaching malicious code in environment variables used by the operating system. It develop and easily import our own module. It increases the capabilities of comics and adapt it to our needs. Now let's see the features. Comics allows us to provide our own hypertext transfer protocol refer header. It also HTTP also uh, provides user agent header, cookies values as well as extra custom HTTP headers. It supports command injections via all these HTTP headers on every described technique. Also, it supports enumeration operations like current users, current host name, user has its. Here is the screenshot of our demonstration of tool. In first screenshot, here we enable root login in Kali Linux. First, this comics provides different command options to find and connect with the target application. To set the target URL, the following command is used: --URL. Then the tool will start and display a banner with some version information, followed by some on-screen messages displaying the current status. We can see it finds a parameter that is vulnerable to command injection and asks us if we want a sudo terminal shell. If we press yes, it drops us into an interactive command shell. Here we can now issue commands like ID, username, password, internet protocol to view information about the server. In second screenshot, there is a terminal now. We can type comics.-h to display the help with all the different options this tool has to offer. These are the screenshots which shows the different options such as general, target, request, injection, detection and miscellaneous. Here our presentation ends. Thank you.
Hello again. Here we are in Kali Linux operating system. I will open the terminal and type comics space -h. Hit enter. Now let's explore some comics usage examples. Here I will give the URL using --URL. Now hit enter. Type --cookie. In single quote, I will give the PHP session ID. security is equals to loop. Hit enter. Type hyphen data is equals to IP is equals to inject here and submit is equals to submit. Then hit enter. Now here we can see some pattern, and here it is given the legal disclaimer that usage of comics for attacking targets without prior mutual consent is illegal. So we should not try this for illegal hacking. Now let's try another example. I will close this window and again I will open the terminal. In this example, we will set highest testing level, that is level is equal to 3. So I will type comics hyphen URL Here we will set level is equals to 3. Hit enter. Here again we can see the pattern similar to the in example 1. The same legal disclaimer is given here. So that's it about the comics tool. Thank you.